Oh shit. May need some mild assistance. No, I'm good. You guys are fucking legends.
Alright, fuck off now.
Oh shit. Yep.
What? Dude. Alright, you over-taunted him.
Sorry.
Alright, I'll grab the mage instead.
Oh shit. Okay. Fuck me. Oh yeah, cool. Mage is coming for you guys. That's good. Oh no. Yeah.
No, he is. Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Oh, fuck.
Fire again. I'm coming back already. Alright. I'll get a taunt back on, and I'll blow a Warhorn and Magic Sorcery. And I'll grab him.
Cool. And come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Taunt boss. Main door.
It should be taunted. Oh no, it's not. Sorry about that.
Okay, take the boss away.
Take the boss out of the health.
Just take the boss back up to the top.
Yep, I've got the taunt.
Oh shit. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I've got this guy down now. If I die again, it's because I fucked up.
I really think we probably could have kept the boss there slightly longer than what we did.
It's better to be safe than sorry, to be honest.
I know.
It's easy just to defuse the one guy.
Get rid of summoners. Well, just only get rid of the closest summon because I don't think the other ones.
Just don't stand right behind me because of his conal shit. Like that, yeah. Oh shit.
Fire.
Cool. God damn it. This hitbox is like so shit as well. Can you get him real quick?
Oh shit, wrong. Damn it, wrong ulti, sorry.
There we go.
Did I?
Did.
Fuck, did I not even taunt him either? Fuck.
He's untaunted again.
No,
Yeah.
Kill intro.
Cool. Okay, get him to 50. You've got like a minute, so we should be able to do it pretty easy. So get him to 50, and then I'll grab the mage. And you grab the melee.
Okay.
If you could stand like over here a bit, would be
Like
great.
that?
Yeah. Oh, not in the fire. Like,
Yep.
get the sorcerer. Get the sorcerer. Summoner. I mean. Ah, fuck it.
Okay, then
Whatever.
pull away.
I'm just gonna have to do boss things.
Okay, so I want melee.
No.
I
He's
want
gonna
mage.
pull us in. He's gonna pull us in.
Okay.
We don't get a choice about that.
No! Fucking change bars! Holy mother!
Oh shit, my bad. I just taunted him. Get him.
Yep. Got him. Okay, and I want
Okay, now
Melee.
just
sorcerer.
No, you want the
pull
melee.
away.
You want the melee.
Pull them
Oh
away.
shit.
Pull them
Okay,
away.
take the other one, take the other one.
What?
Pull away before the fire. Before the fire. Quick, go.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little bit, but
He's on me.
like,
He's on
I
me.
forgot main boss.
Sorry. Alright, we've
Shit.
got the main boss. Yep. Alright.
Fuck. I'm coming back
No,
because
no,
of
no, no.
the
Just
boss.
leave it like this. Leave it like this. This is fine.
Okay.
Just. Alright. Just come back,
Now?
to be honest. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry about this, guys.
As long as you have everything taunted. Actually, this is fine. You don't even need to come back. He didn't even use fire. Get him. Just get him. Jesus!
Yes! Victory! Victory!
Fine,
Okay, so yeah.
That was actually the master strat.
I told
Take
you.
the other two
I
away.
fucking told you.
Fine.
5 hours, 9 minutes. Final score 20.